Yeah.
Yeah. What are the, have you seen any huge openings in certain specific markets within Salesforce, like maybe CPQ or Marketing Cloud? Are there trends in that? Where are they?
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Marketing Cloud is growing. CPQ is definitely growing. I've
Hmm.
seen it's a much smaller little subset, but Field Service Lightning is also growing,
Yeah.
particularly with COVID, because it makes a lot of sense, right? If you're
Yeah.
roto-rooter and you don't want someone to, you don't want to hand them a clipboard to sign, you can do everything electronically utilizing a system like FSL. That's been great. I think CPQ's been growing like pretty well over the last several years. And financial services is a big one too. Health,
Hmm.
of course. Also, like they're honestly, man, they're all growing. like,
Yeah. Yeah.
like it's all doing pretty
Okay.
well. It's all like blowing up, right? The
Yeah.
numbers are crazy on everything. But I do think it might make sense for some folks to specialize. You tend to make more money if you
Yeah.
specialize. Just specialize in the thing that you love. Don't do FSL if you love CPQ, right? Don't do
Yeah.
CPQ if you love Marketing Cloud.
Right.
Commerce Cloud, B2B and B2C Commerce Cloud, that's gotten bigger. Really hard to find people who know that stuff, right?
Mm.
Demandware and Cloud Craze were the original companies on those. So people who have any exposure to that and doing that, they're going to find lots of opportunities out there for sure.
Cool. Are there more candidates, and are they better, or what's the quality of candidates that you're seeing?
Oh gosh, no, there are not more candidates. There are more people in the ecosystem, but there are also more jobs, and the number of job openings is outstripping citizen candidates and green card candidates. There are tons and tons of candidates who are on H-1B or on corp to corp. It's very treacherous and difficult to sift through and identify the good ones. It's a lot of
Yeah.
work. They're out there, some amazing people, like truly amazing people, but it's very difficult because there are a lot of people who they're dishonest, and
Yeah.
companies that are dishonest about their candidates as well.
I can see
So
that.
you've just got to be super careful. But yeah, the demand is there. I've got, I don't know how many openings I've got right now, 20. And I have to be like, okay, no more, no more.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
Yeah. That's
need to fill
awesome.
these. Let's get them
Yeah.
filled. Yeah,
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
filled 3 roles last week. It's
Okay.
busy. Things are cranking. Things are
That's
cranking.
awesome.